Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'll be showing you how you can log into Wells Fargo Bank's online banking services. But before we learn to do that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified when we upload a new video. So let's get started. So first you go to open up your browser and go to Google and search for Wells Fargo Bank. So once you do that, you click on this website that says wellsfargo.com. This is the official website for the bank. And so now to log into your online banking, here you can see option for username. So you'll just enter your username over here and then you'll enter your password right here. And then you'll click on sign on. And with that, you'll be logged in or signed in to your online banking and you can go ahead with using it. But if you have not yet enrolled or signed up for online banking, you can check out another video which teaches you how you can sign up for online banking.